Now that the class is saved with 2 students in it, I'd like to make some changes. I want to add more students, and I may want to edit some of the information that I've already put in. For instance, the course name may be too long, or I might like to change the title of the class. Let's look at the second issues first. Click Class in the upper menu bar and select Description. Back to a familiar screen, click in any of the fields and edit as you see fit. If I want to get rid of the salutation, I could remove that on the teacher name. And again, save as default, and then click Save in the lower right corner to come back to the main screen. To edit the class description in the lower half of the frame, click Mark Sets in the upper menu bar and select the third item down, Edit. In the description field, click and edit as you see fit. Push Enter on the keyboard and then click Save in the lower right corner, and you come back to the main form with the course description edited. To add students to your class, click the Class button at the upper left. Notice that MarkBook has put in a 5-letter gibberish name for each student as a code name. To add more students, click the Add Names button at the upper right and begin typing. A double enter on the keyboard will enter Roger into the class. Now, or at any time later, you can add or edit information in the white fields for each student. For instance, click on a student's name. This student might be in the English as a Second Language program, so you can add that to the program field. Suppose this student was born on October the 21st, 2006. Enter on the keyboard. MarkBook will calculate the student's age as of today, and the class average age is the same because there's only one student with a birthday entered so far. Phone number 1 is intended to be a home phone number. Go ahead and type. Tab gets to the next field, and this is intended to be phone numbers for parents. Given that there could be a lot of numbers, I suggest putting in some codes such as FW for father work, and go ahead and add a number. With an extension. Mother work could be MW. FC could be father cell. MC could be mother cell, and so on and so on. If you plan to use MarkBook's email communication functions, enter email addresses. For the student, probably a single address. For parents, there could be multiple addresses. Separate those addresses with a semicolon and space. Any other information about this student can be added into the miscellaneous field. To expose the field, click once on the word miscellaneous. I have previously added information about a peanut allergy, and an EpiPen is in the office. Click again on miscellaneous to hide the data. Click Save in the lower right corner to save any information entered on this screen. And you'll come back to the main form. Notice that there's a letter in front of one student's name. That's a birthday warning. Up to 5 letters will appear, indicating the next 5 birthdays in your class.